Okay, part 2. This part we're going to do systems of equations and inequalities. The end of part 1, we did graphing lines, graphing, just regular equations. So if you missed that, go do that because it's going to be very important for the first part of this review. Actually, for most of you, the first part and the last part, graphing those equations is vital to what we're doing here. Okay, so part 1 or part 2, but question 1, we are graphing this. Now, this one's already in slope-intercept form for us, which is nice because it tells us exactly what the y-intercept is and then what the slope is. So our y-intercept, I'm going to put this first line in blue, I'll put the second one in red. The y-intercept of the first line is positive 3, so we're going to go up to 3 on the y-axis and put our point. The slope from this one is negative 5 over 3. Also, you can think of it as negative 5 over a positive 3. So telling you to go down 5 and then right 3. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to count down 5 squares and then right 3 squares. That puts us here. And that's pretty much all the points I can fit for this line. So I'll just try and graph my line just like that. Now let's move to red and we'll do the second one. The second one has a y-intercept at negative 3. So we're going to have our y-intercept, our y-axis at negative 3. And then our slope here is 1/3, so 1 over 3, meaning since it's positive, going up 1 and then right 3. So we go up 1, right 3, that puts us here. And we can actually go maybe backwards a little bit, go down 1 and left 3 just to fill that out. So we get our line like this. Now the solution is the point of intersection. So the solution is actually where they've crossed, which here is at 3, -2. That's technically the final answer. But graphing, it's kind of the most important thing, I think, for us right now. Now, number 2, a different problem. This one's going to require a lot of work to put into slope-intercept form. So let's try this out. Let me put, we have x plus 3y equals -12. So we're going to try and get this y by itself. So the first thing we're going to do is move the x term. So we'll subtract x, cancel that out, and have 3y equal to -x minus 12. Then divide by 3, dividing by 3 on all parts here, all 3 parts. This ends up being y equal to a negative x over 3. You can also think of it as a negative 1 x over 3. And this ends up being a -4. So we're going to have to graph that line. So we're just going to have a y-intercept at -4, and then a slope of down 1, because it's -1 over 3. So it'll be down 1, and then right 3. So we're going to go down 1, right 3. That puts us there. Not a whole lot of room to work, so we'll go backwards as well. Go up 1, left 3. And so we have a line kind of really, really far down near the bottom. Now we still have the other line to graph. So the other line, we have 5x minus 3y equals -6. So we're going to start, again, moving the x term. So subtract 5x. And we end up having -3y equal to -5x minus 6. And then we'll divide by -3. All right, so we end up having y equal to, the two negatives here cancel out. So it's going to be a positive 5 over a positive 3x. And then -6 over -3 also cancels out. So we get a positive 2 on that one because 6 divided by 3 is 2. So our y-intercept is at 2. It's going to put us here. And then we're going to go up 5 and right 3. So since it's 5/3, we'll go up 5 and right 3. However, I really don't have enough room to go up 5. I can't count up 5. So actually, we'll go backwards. We'll go down 5 and left 3. So down 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, left 3, puts us actually right here, overlapping that other point. So this is perfect. So our answer is where those two lines have intersected, which is at the ordered pair of -3, -3. Okay, also I can hear, I'm still here at school, like filming this, and the people are coming to clean. So if they come see me recording, well, I might just pause. I might just end the video. So just a heads up. All right, number 3. Number 3 is slope-intercept form, which is nice for us. So we're going to simply graph. We have the y-intercept is 3 at the first point for the first line, and then our slope is 4, also known as 4 over 1. So we'll go up 4 and right 1. I can't go up 4, so we'll go down 4 and then left 1. We'll do the opposite. Down 4, left 1, down 4, left 1. That works out perfectly for us. Oops, not very straight. All right. And now we'll do a similar thing for the next one. We'll do y-intercept at -2. And then its slope is -1. So its slope -1 over 1 means we're going to go down 1, but right 1. So down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1. And then go backwards. Up 1, left, up, left, up, left, up, left, up, left. We have our point of intersection right here. So they cross at -1, -1, that being our answer. And now number 4. So number 4, we have 2x plus y equals -4. So we're going to solve this for y. Subtract the 2x to move it over to the other side, giving us y equal to -2x minus 4. So that's slope-intercept form. Our y-intercept is -4. And our slope is -2 over 1, which means going down 2 and right 1. Again, I can't fit down 2, right 1 here, so I'll go backwards. I'll go up 2 and then left 1. Do the opposite. Up 2, left 1, up 2, left 1, up 2, left 1, up 2, left 1. There we go. There's my line. And now the second equation. We have x plus 4y equals 12. So we're going to move the x term, so subtract x. This is 4y equals -x plus 12, and then divide by 4. So this ends up having y equal to a -1 over 4x plus 3. So y-intercept at +3. And then we're going to go, since it's -1 over 4, we're going to go down 1 and then right 4. So down 1, right 4 puts us here. And then let's go backwards as well. Go up 1 and left 4. That puts us overlapping at that point. So our answer is going to be at that point, which is -4, +4. All right. Because I can hear those people coming, I'm just going to stop the video here, and I'll continue substitution, elimination, and the inequalities in the next one. I'll see you guys in part 2 of part 2.